What's up, everybody? This is Transportation Hub here, and I have a very special message. This is for the idiotic dumbass YouTuber named Kenneth Rembert. You say that the B and D trains run on the Brighton Beach Line? I don't think so, because you can see right here, B trains run on the Brighton Beach Line, but on weekdays and evenings only. Okay? And another thing, right? You say that the Q runs on the West End Line. I don't think so either, boy, because the Q train runs on the Brighton Beach Line, but as a local route at all times. You, my friend, are a very dumb, stupid ass, ignorant moron, and you need to get your damn head checked. You're a damn dullard. You know that, Kenneth Rembert? If you're watching this, you're a dullard, okay? The B train serves the Brighton Beach Line since 2004, ever since the 2004 reconstruction has been completed on the Manhattan Bridge. The D train used to run on the Brighton Beach Line as a local route up until 2004, after reconstruction work was completed on the Manhattan Bridge project. The Q train, however, always ran on the Brighton Beach Line from the very beginning. From the very beginning, it used to be an orange route, a 6th Avenue Express route, a Brighton Beach 6th Avenue Express route that used to operate weekdays only between 6 a.m. to like up to 9 p.m. Okay? The Q train is the home of the BMT Brighton Beach Line, not the D train, which is now the home of the BMT West End Line since 2004. Second public service announcement, same as the first. This is for the dumbass YouTuber Kenneth Rembert. You say that the B and D train run on the Brighton Beach Line. I don't think so, because if you look right in front of you, the B train serves the Brighton Beach Line, but on weekdays and evenings only. The Q train line, on the other hand, right here, serves the Brighton Beach Line at all times. It does not run on the BMT West End Line. So you need to get this into your dumb, stupid, retarded ass head if you ever come across this video. And I'm waiting for your comment, Kenneth Rembert. If you want to comment on this video, Kenneth Rembert, you're more than welcome to, because I'm ready for you. You're more than welcome to comment on this video, Kenneth. Anytime. I'm ready for you. Anytime. Anytime, Kenneth. Anytime. I'll be ready to prove you wrong, because see the sign right here? It says Q train, Brighton local to Coney Island at all times. So I'm ready for your comments, Kenneth. Anytime, any day. everybody. This is Transportation Hub again. Once again, this is for Kenneth Rembert. You're a moron. The Q train runs on the Brighton Beach Line at all times. And before you say anything, this was a planned weekend service change, which I will explain in the description box down below. So one more time, Kenneth Rembert, before you say anything, make sure you watch the video again and read the description box down below because you sound and act and behave stupid. So once again, this is Transportation Hub, everyone. I love all of you guys dearly, and I cannot wait to see all of you at the next stop. Thank you.